That's yucky. Don't eat the rocks. Rocks? Don't get in the grass, baby. It's muddy, muddy. Stay on the rocks. Okay? Hadley, Owen? No, ma'am. You stay on the rocks. You'll get all muddy. Cooper? No, sir. You turn around. Cooper? No, no. Come back this way, baby. Cooper? Get back up here. You're going to get all muddy. Mommy just cleaned you up. We're going to go. You want to go see Mimi? You want to go see Mimi, Hadley? Stand up, baby. It's okay. You just can't get in the grass. You want to go see Mimi? Hey, you want to go see Mimi? Go see Sweet Paw? We'll go bye-bye. Look what Mommy's got. You don't want it? Okay. You need a hug from Mommy? You need a hug? Come here to Mommy. Come here. Oh, goodness, it's beautiful. Give Mommy a kiss. Where's Sissy going? Sissy, come here. Let's go inside and get your drink so we can go bye-bye. You want to go get a drink?